Welcome to Vacation Rental Essentials. In today's video, we will go over the top 5 BBQ Grill essentials for your vacation rental property. We all know the wonderful aroma of grilled food sizzling on the barbecue, and how it goes hand in hand with backyard vacation fun. This is a feeling we want to offer our guests to ensure they have a great stay in our rental homes. If your property is equipped with an outdoor grill, it's often best to allow your guests full use of it, and mention so in your listing. If you do not have a grill, we recommend you invest in one, as they can demand higher rental prices for your home. Grills can also help offset any downsides to your indoor cooking space, such as a small or outdated kitchen. If you do plan to utilize some of your outdoor space as a grilling area, you'll want to make sure you have these top 5 barbecue grill essentials on hand for your guests. Starting at number 5, a griddle. Griddles are a great addition to any grill because they provide even heat and a flat surface. They will allow your guests to cook a breakfast of champions, as they are perfect for foods such as eggs, pancakes, bacon, French toast, hash browns, and more. If your guests enjoy their breakfast, they might want to utilize the griddle for lunch as well and cook some fajitas or grilled cheese. While there are standalone gas griddles out there, you'll just need to supply a simple griddle pan. You can find them in cast iron or stainless steel. Number 4, prep table. You may want to supply your guests with a small prep table so they can prepare their meals in the fresh air while remaining close to the outside entertainment. This also keeps raw food off your dining tables. Lastly, many prep tables act as a good storage area for your grilling supplies. Number 3, fire extinguisher. There is no doubt you will have these placed throughout the interior of your rental home already. When adding a grill to your house, it's best to add an additional fire extinguisher and keep it close by the grill. In the event that your guests have an accidental fire while grilling, it is very important to have a fire extinguisher on hand to protect both your guests and your home. They can be found at any local hardware store, as well as online like the one in the description section below. Number 2, cooking tools. If your guests are excited to cook a great meal on your grill, you won't want to disappoint them by not having enough essential grill tools at their disposal. Consider supplying your guests with as many of the following items as possible: long-handled tongs, stainless steel spatula, wire grill brush, basting brush, meat thermometer, cooking mitts, and an apron. Many of these items can be purchased in bundles to save you time and money. Number 1, a grill. It goes without saying, the most important item you will need is a grill. Gas and charcoal are usually favored among barbecue enthusiasts. Gas grills can range in price from $150 to over $2,000. You can find a reliable, sturdy grill for around $300. The upside to gas grills is that they are easy to ignite and turn off with the twist of a knob, which makes them more convenient. And you want to offer your guests all the conveniences you can. If you supply a gas grill, you want to supply propane as well. It's a good idea to have 2 canisters, and always keep one full as a spare. Charcoal grills. These grills are much less expensive, as you can find a very good selection of charcoal grills for under $100. Charcoal grills take a little longer to light and get up to temperature, which could be a deterrent to your guests. They are also slightly more difficult to extinguish and will need to be emptied of ashes frequently and in a safe manner. The charcoal needed for the grills can easily be found at any supermarket. We would advise you to mention to your guests in your welcome book that they are responsible for purchasing the charcoal unless you feel compelled to do so for them. No matter which type of grill you offer, make sure it is located at least 10 feet from your home and far from any wooden decks, rails, or tree branches. If you supply these barbecue grill essentials, you're bound to impress your guests. Your investment in these products will be a small price compared to the added joy of cooking outside that your guests will receive, as well as the positive comments and 5-star ratings you will receive. Feel free to check out the description section below for helpful links to all the products we've mentioned. We hope you have gained some value from this video and invite you to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on vacation rental essentials.